I don't want to lie. Manage bara abakonyore bara ya remiru you want to be your moram. If I can show you a message. I got a message from some feedback here bara get the Riamosero Ria Pius. I even showed the governor. Fortunately now I was with the governor at that time. There's a complaint but me as an MC I also understand the amount of money that we allocate as a para sometimes na weko benge contract take kubeka culvert as kira azaga neiri anta kubeka mora mos. The only people who are able to do a para to standard care because they have enough budget. Even 10 million. Into 2.5 million. So a contract check was in and they call it excavation. You muchanga, wakwale taxi 16%. City department profit. So they do a moram purchase. What we have done as an assembly, we are coming up with a policy of routine maintenance of roads that we have already established as a system here. And that is why which mutua tua terima no jipare chiaremu no rachire mire bobe. For the little time chia koli bobe, let us be patient. We have a new policy. Pare ndeonsi aremiru. Which mutua bega kwa maintenance.